Welcome to my channel, friends. I'm your friend. You are watching FortuneX. Here we share practical, step-by-step business ideas, education, and motivation. Today's topic, 5 low-investment online business ideas you can start in the USA, UK, Canada, or Australia. Let's get started. If you have little money, but you have time and consistency, these 5 ideas will help you start with $0 to $100. For each idea, I'll give exact steps, examples, and free marketing tips so you can take action immediately. Let's start with idea 1. It's simple and the fastest to start. Idea 1. Freelance services. Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn. Idea. Sell your skills. Examples. Writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceover, virtual assistant. Step-by-step 1. Choose your top 1-2 skills. Example. Video editing and voiceover. 2. Build a portfolio. Make 3 sample projects. Upload them to Drive or YouTube. 3. Create profiles on Fiverr and Upwork. Use a clear title. Add 3 service packages. Basic, standard, premium. 4. Start with 5 low-price gigs. This helps get reviews fast. Example. If you do video editing, offer a 1-minute Instagram video edit starting at $10. Startup cost, $0, $50. Internet plus optional paid accounts. Free marketing tip. Post short demo clips on Instagram Reels and TikTok. Share weekly posts on LinkedIn. Pros, fast income, repeat clients. Cons, high competition at first. Idea 2, print on demand, POD. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases. Idea, create designs and sell them using pod platforms. Examples, Printful, Teespring, Redbubble. Step-by-step 1, pick a niche. Example, motivational quotes for students or funny work from home designs. 2, make 10 simple designs in Canva, free plan. 3, create a store on Shopify, free trial, or Etsy. Connect Printful. 4, add 10 listings. Test sales organically before running ads. Example, study motivation. T-shirt design. Make a short Instagram reel showing the design process. Startup cost $0, $30. Canva optional domain. Free marketing tip. Make short videos showing the design process. Use hashtags for US, UK audience. Pros, no inventory, scalable. Cons, low profit margin at first. Idea 3. Affiliate marketing. Blog, YouTube, social. Idea. Recommend products and earn commissions. Platforms. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ. Step-by-step 1. Pick a niche. Example, home office gadgets for remote workers. 2. Start a simple blog on WordPress or a YouTube channel. 3. Create 10 helpful product review or comparison posts or videos. 4. Add affiliate links in the description. Give honest reviews. Example, top 5 budget webcams under $50. Review plus links. Target audience, US, UK. Startup cost $0, $50. Domain optional or start YouTube free. Free marketing tip. Use SEO-friendly titles. Share on Pinterest and Reddit for traffic. Pros, passive income potential. Cons, it takes time to earn commissions. Idea 4, branded dropshipping, Shopify plus suppliers. Idea, create a niche store with curated products and branded packaging. Step-by-step 1, research a niche. Example, eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. 2, choose suppliers, options. AliExpress, Oberlo, or US suppliers for faster shipping. 3, set up a Shopify store. Add 10 products with clear descriptions and good images. 4, free marketing, organic content, micro-influencers. Example, sell a branded bamboo utensil set with short demo videos. Startup, cost, $29/month. Shopify plus $0, $50 initial testing, use free trials. Free marketing. Tip, make how-to reels showing product use. DM micro-influencers for collaborations. Pros, branded feel without holding inventory. Cons, shipping times and customer service responsibility. Idea 5, digital courses, micro courses, Udemy, Teachable, Gumroad. Idea, turn your expertise into a short course. Duration, 30-90 minutes. Step-by-step 1, pick a topic. Example, beginner's guide to freelance video editing. 2, create 5-7 short modules with screen recordings and voiceover. 3, upload to Gumroad or Udemy. Offer 1 free sample lesson. 4, promote via YouTube and LinkedIn groups. Example, 5-module course. Intro, tools, workflow, example project, how to sell services. Startup cost, $0, $50, mic, screen recorder, free tools available. Free marketing. Tip, post 1 free lesson on YouTube. Link full course in the description. Pros, high profit margins. Cons, takes time to create. Quick comparison. Fastest start, freelancing lowest ongoing effort, digital courses, best scaling, branded dropshipping and pod, best passive potential, affiliate plus courses. Action plan. Today 1. Spend 30 minutes brainstorming. Write down your top 2 skills and 1 niche. 2. Make 3 sample pieces tomorrow. Portfolio designs or a short video. 3. Create a free profile on one platform. Fiverr, YouTube, or Shopify trial. 4. Consistency. Do 1 small task every day for 7 days. You will see progress. If you want a detailed 1-hour roadmap for any of these ideas, comment below which idea. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Share this with friends in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia who want a side income. I'm your name. This is FortuneNext. See you in the next video with a detailed roadmap. Thanks for watching.